Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, we are going to learn how to schedule a pod with specific requirements using a node selector. So if you don't know what node selector is like a filter. It ensures that the pod gets scheduled on a specific group of nodes that matches our criteria. So if you look towards a question, we'll have to schedule a pod with the name new, image nginx, and the node selector. Here the criteria is disk is equals to SSD. So let's move on to our killer coda playground and we are going to perform the task. Kget nodes. So here we have two nodes. We are going to label our first node k label node 01. So as per the question, the criteria is disk is equals to SSD. You don't need to label your node in the CK exam, but if you want to, but this is a killer coda playground, and for you, I'm going to let you know how these things work. So this is labeled. Now we'll have to create a pod. Krun. Pod name is new. --image is equals to nginx. --try--run is equals to client. -o by YAML. So -try run is equals to client will ensure that this pod is not going to be created, and we'll just create the YAML file out of this output. Yes, so vi new YAML, this is our pod YAML file, and we are going to make some changes in this. So its name is already specified, container. Here below container we are going to add node selector, and below this disk SSD. Make sure the alignment is proper, and then we are going to just save this. Now k apply -f and new.yaml. So your pod is created here, and we have already labeled our node 01. So we are going to check this pod, kget pod. Our pod is up and running, and now we'll see where in which node it is working. So kget node, kget pod -o white. So you can see this is running in node 01. So this is how node selector works. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.